as concerned staff, will cooperate with the investigation. We will give the maximum support what we have to give. We are anxious to know why it happened as well. We want to know the reason why it happened, because the same material, after seeking the approvals only, it has been used. Prima facie, we feel it is a mere accident that has happened, for which we also feel very, very sorry, and we empathize with all the members of the families who lost their respective family members and who are injured in the accident. And we give abundant of support and the extreme support to all the statutory authorities, whoever it is. And we have informed all our concerned people to be available to the investigating authorities to get to whatever, to answer to their queries.
Not
so far. We have no information on that. Not so far.
कोलकाता पुलिस की टीम से किसी से बातचीत हुई है? आपके ऑफिशियल से, IBRCL के किसी ऑफिशियल से कोलकाता पुलिस की टीम ने बातचीत की है?
No, they have not contacted us so far.
No, so far no one has contacted us.
Your members have been contacted in Kolkata.
We have no idea about it.
What is the investigation going on from the police side? What are they questioning the?
We did not get any information so far, but we have kept all our concerned informed to cooperate with the investigation, to give abundant support.
And you're saying Kolkata police has not even got in touch with the employees or management in Kolkata also?
We have no idea about it. I did not get any information about it.
तो IBRCL के अगेंस्ट में केस रजिस्टर हुए हैं, उसके बारे में क्या जानकारी है? क्या
We do not know. Yesterday in the news we read that FIR is issued. Apart from that, we do not know anything. We do not know what the contents of the FIR is also. We do not have any idea against whom it is lodged also. We have no information because it is not served upon us so far.
क्या आप मानती हैं ये नेग्लिजेंस का केस है, लापरवाही हुई है?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. At this point of time, we cannot say anything, because that, as I told earlier also, we used the same material. What the material was used for constructing the 59, that length of 59 pillars or slabs, whatever, the same material is being used for 68th also. Unfortunately, it collapsed. Unfortunately, it collapsed.
लापरवाही नहीं है?
Your office member being picked up from Kolkata.